survive. We're all secretly watching you do. Trying our best to get back to you.
Guiding me quietly, instructing me blindly, afraid of what might be. I feel like I'm dying.
See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Not as far as I'm aware. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right. It's just another night. But I heard a creep. Just go back to sleep. I'm always quick to rage. So go back to your stage.
What's that sound? I thought someone's there, hiding in the shadows, thinking I was unaware. Well, who's that I see? The part they would have been. Well, that's a minor bomber. Hurry up before he pulls her. Oh, come on, let me just run. You can't deter me this time, no, I'm done. I will go back to my stage as my new trend. Well, let's go say hi to the new friend.
I knew I was right to think I was going to you over here. Well, isn't it a truth tonight? You seem to be just a little bit weary, far at me. Well, there's no we know you want to deactivate us, but we just can't let that happen. Every night, always, it never changes. We can make accidents happen. 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 We can make accidents happen.
When we work together in Michigan, we get things done. Sarah Schultz is from a blue